morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Monday, May 8th, 2023.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible.
Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now here's Weatherman Everett for the weather.
It's weather time, guys. Give me a moment to turn on my screen. Okay, it's on. So, I think in Carrollton it will be very cloudy. And by very, I mean mostly cloudy. With a high of 91 degrees and a low of 7 degrees. So, take off those jackets when you go to recess, or else you'll be hot. That's weather.
That's all for Weatherman
It's almost summer.
That's all for Weatherman Everett.
Today's lunch options are corn dog or mac and cheese.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Today in history, in 1912, Paramount Pictures is founded.
Wow.
Not Paramount Plus.
Yes.
So cute I can't. Meet Frankie, the adventurous goat who has traveled over 60,000 miles across the U.S. with their owners in their colorful Airstream trailer. Kate Battles and her husband, Chad, moved from their house into a trailer in 2016, and they've been traveling to beauty spas with their favorite pet ever since. She's visited all kinds of scenery with us, lakes, beaches, mountains, and caves. We've covered dozens of states and national parks together. At this point, she's probably been about 60,000 miles all around the country. And all the way from the east to the west coast, she must have been over 20 states already. Frankie loves being on the road and having adventures. She finds joy in any place she goes. In the desert, she climbs all over the rocks, and at the beach, she loves to lick the salt off of the stones.
Wow. Now, here is my friend Grayson for Weird But True.
I know him. Potatoes are the first vegetable to be grown in space. So does that mean that French fries can be in space now?
That's crazy. I don't believe it.
Now for the joke of the day. Why do porcupines always win the game?
I don't know why.
They have the most points.
Yeah, and Porcupine scores another touchdown. 7 points. Yeah.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success.
I choose excellence.
I'm Carter.
And I'm Ellie.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons.